Thexton GM Stuck Spare Tire Release Kit, part number 805, includes part numbers 805-1 Striker Tool and 805-2 Bullet Tool. The 805-2 Bullet Tool releases the secondary latch without the need of a jack, as instructed in owner's manual. Use the vehicle key to remove the spare tire lock. Insert part number 497X to lower the spare tire cable approximately 8 inches. Insert the 805-2 bullet tool onto the lowered cable with the cone side facing the spring. Raise cable with THX805 until spring is completely compressed. You may hear a click indicating the safety latch has been released. Lower the tire and remove tool. If tire does not lower, repeat previous steps or proceed to 805-1 striker tool. The 805-1 striker tool is used to impact and release the secondary latch. Begin by removing the license plate or backfeed the tool through the spare tire access hole, depending on your application. Use striker tool to remove rubber boot if more visibility is desired. Rotate the tire until the secondary latch's full-length split seam side is facing user. The opposite side will only have a half-length split seam. Insert tool so groove is centered on split seam. Raise the spare tire up about 1 inch while holding the tool in place. Hammer the back side of the striker tool to release the secondary latch. Lower spare tire and verify secondary latch released. If tire does not lower, repeat previous striker tool steps. Remove tool from access point, replace license plate, and retract cable. Also, install spare tire lock if equipped.